Katie here, and welcome to my channel. Hey, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing well. Okay, a lot is going on. I'm currently at a stalemate with all the school things that I can do temporarily, right? Like, as y'all know, I was reaccepted to go back to the college that I've currently been on a hiatus on for 6 years. Exciting, right? I, however, was on academic probation. That being said, I had to, do like some financial appeals to get any financial aid, which I'm gonna be needing for sure. What words? Anyways, let's see. I'm looking at my desk area trying to remember everything. So I've signed up for classes. I'm waiting on book lists so I can start studying. I am also waiting for my financial appeal to come through to even see if I would be going back to school, right? So that's on that front. On the job front, which if you've seen, okay, so I had a job interview. It was the first job interview I had. It sounded like it was going good. They're completely understaffed and they're really needing people, and it's an overall overwhelming environment. I knew this. I was like, yeah, I could work there and help them out and get it like staffed. Not really like me doing that, but except like just my body being there. Because when I go to work, I go to work. If I'm scheduled, I'm there. Unless I'm dying, type situation. They never called me back. She said that she was going to call me back on Tuesday. Did not call me back on Tuesday. And I think at this point it's going to be next week by the time you guys are seeing this. So it just actually might be a Tuesday. But I called them back on Thursday, which I wanted to call back on Wednesday, but I was like, maybe I should just back off a little bit. Anyways, it's currently Saturday and they're closed today, so I doubt I'm going to get a call today. So me being financially freaked out as I am, panicked, and I was like, let me just call all the places that I've applied to and see what's up with that, because I need a job this week. Literally, I needed a job last week, but okay. Anyways, I have a job now. I got a job back with Domino's, which it seems like there's been a little bit of shift in the upper management, so I'm not as worried. I'm nervous. As excited as I am, because I do love working for Domino's, and I enjoyed working for that franchise for a while, but I'm not as nervous as I was, but I am still nervous. But I start today at 4 o'clock. It's, well, more on that later. I'll be working night shifts mostly, I think. But I am currently cooking some rice for this nice chunks of meat right here that were in my freezer. It's the last of my meat reserves, and I'm feeling like some iron-y, proteiny stuff. Anyways, let's see. The last thing. It's been so busy. I think I know what happened, but I've been filming every other day this week, it feels like, and I've been uploading every day, which is weird because a week or two ago, I wasn't even uploading every day or something. I don't know. It just feels like it's too soon for me to have a mass amount of videos that are queued to be edited and uploaded. It's weird. I don't remember why I brought that up. There was a specific reason. Why did I bring that up? Oh, there's like gaps and stuff. Like this. This was from last vlog. I ate this piece right here, so like a third of it that night. And then yesterday, I ate that, and then I ate some of this, and then today I've eaten this. I've eaten that part. And then I've got like 6 more pieces left, and I'm gonna box those up because it's getting kind of stale. It's good. It's good. It's cornbread. Anyways, I have to edit. I have some other stuff to do. It's currently going on 11 o'clock almost. And I need to get a lid on my rice. I'll see you guys in a minute, or 5. Or, well, for you it's a second. I'm never gonna get used to that. Okay, so I've edited, I've uploaded. I have an hour-ish before I have to go to work. It's so strange. I really didn't think I was ever gonna work for that franchise again, but honestly, I am excited to go back, but I'm also still very nervous. I've also, these are my work pants. I've hemmed them because they are the Sophia jeans Vergara? Is that the name? I think so. I love these jeans. I have a medium blue and a dark blue jean as well, in the same style with the flares and all that jazz. But the thing about Domino's is there's cornmeal everywhere. There's pizza sauce everywhere. I can tell you some really strange places that I've seen pizza sauce that it should not have been, and like, why is it there? No one ever knows. Outside on the top of the canopy. Or like, what? Okay, anyways, there's cornmeal everywhere, and I usually have these folded over and stuff at the hem. You really can't see that, can you though? Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. But I usually have them folded over. So I decided I'd go ahead and hem them instead, just to keep the cornmeal out of my pants and out of my house. Other things I'm not looking forward to is cornmeal in my hair. I might start wearing a regular hat rather than a visor, but honestly, it just depends on what the GM at that store has, I guess. Sometimes the stores would have a hat, sometimes the stores would have visors, sometimes they'd have both. Anyways, yeah, I gotta get ready for work now. I'm trying to think, is there anything else in here that I need to do? Like, I don't know when I'm getting off today. That's part of the issue of like why I'm like concerned of what maybe I need to do. I wanted to go to the gym today, but I got up a little late, and I did not want to work night shifts, and I especially don't want to be closing during the school semester because that's gonna be complicated for me. Yeah, but like, I figure it helps them out, it helps me out, even though it's not something I don't want to do. In the long run, I won't be doing it for more than like 2 or 3 years, if that, because like openings happen for day shift all the time. I'm so worried I'm going to be closing every night, but the general manager said that he's going to try and help me not do that. Like, he's only going to have me scheduled a couple nights, and there's already a manager that wants to close in general. So anyways, I'm gonna go get ready. I'll see you guys afterwards, maybe when I fresh in uniform and before I go to work, or when I get back from work. I don't know. Do you even want to see me in my Domino's uniform? That isn't the strangest thing, I guess. It's part of my life, and I guess that's why you guys are watching my vlogging journal. Anyways, I'm wasting time. Okay, I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, so here is the fits I have on the jeans, and they're adorable. And I was deciding whether or not I wanted to tuck this in or take it out, because I think when I left, we were allowed to have the shirt untucked, but I don't know, I kind of like the tucked vibe. I'm gonna have my hair up, and I'll have to get a hat when I go to the job, because I don't have one. Goodness. I gotta go to work, Bubba. Are you gonna be good for me? You gonna be good? Really? That good? Oh my goodness. Good boy. Okay, but yeah. There's the outfit. So cute. It's the next morning. I only worked like 5 hours. Yeah, 5 hours. It wasn't bad. A lot less stressful than I remember, which is cool. And it was a Saturday. At the beginning of a month, I remember those being the worst. So maybe I was just making something out of nothing. Someone's doing yard work now, so that's fun. Anyways, I was given a whole bunch of paperwork to go through and study. It's just like new operations assessment guides and just like things to remember how to do things, like a quick reference sheet for how much pizza goes on a pizza, what bread things go on bread things. A lot of it I remember, but at the same time, like, I could not tell you how many ounces of, well, I could tell you how many ounces of beef go on most pizzas at the moment. That came back pretty quickly, but jalapenos, no. Banana peppers, no. Tomatoes, no. Spinach? Spinach is one of the easier ones, too, because no matter how many toppings you put on a pizza, it's the same amount of spinach. Anyways. It's awfully loud outside. I'm gonna close this vlog out. I hope that you have a lovely day wherever you're at. I've gotta go. Bye.